In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. Creating a dashboard in Monday.com is an excellent way to get a quick visual overview of your projects, team progress, and key data points. It centralizes vital information, making it easier to track performance and make informed decisions at a glance. Let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand panel of your screen. This is where you'll find options for managing your boards, workspaces, and other important features. You're looking for a specific icon, the plus sign. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your Monday.com setup, whether it's a new board, a document, or in our case, a brand new dashboard. Go ahead and click on that plus sign icon in the left panel. Upon clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear, presenting you with various options for new items you can add. Among these choices, you will see an option labeled Dashboard. A dashboard, in Monday.com, is a powerful tool designed to consolidate data from multiple boards into a single comprehensive view. It allows you to visualize information through various widgets, providing insights and real-time updates without needing to jump between different boards. Select and click on Dashboard from this menu to proceed. Now that you've chosen to create a dashboard, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to give your new dashboard a name. It's crucial to give your dashboard a clear and descriptive name that reflects its purpose. This will help you and your team easily identify its contents and relevance later on, especially as your workspace grows with more dashboards. For example, if it's for tracking project timelines, you might name it Project Timeline Overview. Once you've entered your desired name, simply click on the Create Dashboard button to finalize this step. Congratulations, your dashboard has been created. You'll now see a blank canvas for your new dashboard. The next step is to populate it with useful information. You'll notice a prominent button or section that says, Add your first widget. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard. They are customizable applications that pull specific data from your boards and display it in various formats, such as charts, tables, progress bars, or numbers. Click on Add your first widget to open up the widget library and start customizing your view. After clicking Add your first widget, you'll be presented with a wide array of widget options. This is where you can truly tailor your dashboard to meet your specific needs. Take some time to browse through the available widgets. You'll find options for tracking team workload, displaying crucial numbers, showing task progress, monitoring budgets, and much more. Think about the most important data points you want to see at a glance. Do you need to see overdue tasks, team capacity, overall project status? Select the widgets that best align with your goals and start building out your dashboard. You can add as many widgets as you need and arrange them in a way that makes the most sense for you. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively create and begin customizing a dashboard in Monday.com, transforming raw data into actionable insights for better project management and team collaboration.